Welcome to our latest tutorial on WhatsApp communities. Today, we're going to show you how to unlock a specific group within a WhatsApp community. This updated guide will walk you through the process step by step, so you can easily regain access to your locked group chats. Let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp app on your smartphone. Once you're in, look for the Communities tab at the bottom of your screen. It's usually represented by a square icon with smaller squares inside. Tap on it to access your communities. Now scroll through your list of communities and select the one that contains the group you want to unlock. Tap on the community to open it up. Inside the community, you'll see a list of groups. Find the specific group you want to unlock and tap on it to open the group chat. At the top of the group chat, you'll see the name of the group. Tap on the group name to access the group settings. In the group settings, scroll down until you find the Chat Lock option. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. To unlock the group, simply tap the toggle to turn on the Chat Lock feature. After tapping the toggle, WhatsApp might ask you to confirm your action. This is a security measure to ensure that only authorized users can make changes to the group settings. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your decision. And there you have it. You've successfully unlocked your specific group within the WhatsApp community. You should now have full access to the group chat and all its features. Remember, the Chat Lock feature is designed to add an extra layer of privacy to your conversations. Use it wisely to protect sensitive information and maintain the confidentiality of your group chats. Thanks for watching our tutorial on how to unlock a specific group in WhatsApp communities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Happy chatting!